guys, Mary here. Welcome to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be short and sweet. I'm going to show you a couple of restaurants that I got to visit, and also I got to check out fireworks from a cool perspective, so stay tuned. So nice today. I'm at the deck in Waikiki. It's like an outdoor kind of like patio setting restaurant. I've been here before, but like years ago. And today's like the last day that Harrison's mom is staying here, so we wanted to take her somewhere nice and just kind of like take in the views. Yeah, I'll show you what we get to eat later.
Two French toast.
Thank you.
Oh wow, that looks nice.
Two orders of truffle fries.
Oh, we're gonna share.
And a side of bacon.
And then I have the scrambled sausage rice.
Ooh. I don't know about you guys, but I judge a restaurant if they can poach an egg perfectly, like just runny in the center, and you know, the yolk is like that nice thick consistency. That's what I look for. Oh. Ooh.
Should I get the jiggle?
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
The braised beef loco moco was pretty much like something that I've had before. The beef was nice, very tender, felt like it was falling apart, but the flavor was alright. The star of the show is the French toast. Oh my god. It comes with like a cornflake crust, but when you add it with like the halpia sauce that they pair this with, it's just so good. Like, I would literally come back just to eat this again. So Harrison and I have been to this restaurant before, and we usually come here to eat the pork belly bosam, which, if you're not familiar with, it's pretty much like boiled pork belly served with steamed napa cabbage and like side of kimchi, and it's like something that we crave pretty much like once in a while, and we're willing to drive into town for it. They offer the half portion, which is perfect for us to share and also get you know, other dishes as well. Like, we got this japchae, which is served like piping hot. I usually eat japchae that's like room temperature, but this one was like really like pretty much straight from the stove. And we also got crispy mandu, which was also nice. I'm like a textural kind of fan, so I usually preferred crispy, but he likes steamed. And just paired with all these like additional kimchis and like side dishes, it just makes it a very like nice wholesome meal. It's pretty big. Craving satisfied? The texture of the pork belly is very nice and tender. I don't think that they use high heat when cooking the pork belly. It's just boiled like in a, like, I would say medium temperature, and then paired with the dried radish kimchi and napa cabbage, it just balances so well. It's definitely something that I recommend anybody to try if they're a fan of pork belly. Oh, yeah, I do. Is it for real alcohol? Is it? One try. Is it really?
You gotta shake it. You gotta shake it.
It's just soda. You like me buy this? It's just the jam, you know. We're gonna head over to the Hilton to watch the fireworks and maybe swim. So let me show you what I see later today. It's supposed to look really nice, and when it's dark enough and you're like swimming, it almost feels like you're swimming right under the fireworks. Should be fun. It's actually kind of busy. Like there's a shit ton of people. Maybe they do shoot it from this way. I don't know. We'll see.
I think they shoot it in here because they roped off the area, yeah.
Where?
Oh, you see where the stuff is?
What? What stuff?
Those boxes.
Oh. Look at all these people. It's Harrison and my first time seeing the fireworks out here, right? Isn't it? Or no?
Yeah.
What?
I literally worked in the monitor.
Oh, well, my first time then. My first time.
What? Did you just skip 8 years of my life?
Just so they just keep those lights on the whole show? Do you know?
Turn off any light.
Of all the years that I've lived on this island, I have never once thought, hey, I should watch the fireworks while I'm swimming in the ocean. Like, what? I only got the idea because I saw it on TikTok and I was just very curious to see like what that would look like. And I'm glad I got to do it because look at this sunset. Like everything about it was just so pretty. And you know, as it gets darker and like the show starts, Harrison decided to it just looks like it's like the closest I've ever seen the fireworks pop right above me, and it's like got that, you know, carnival light effect where it just makes you feel like very happy and excited. But yeah, it was so cool to do this, and I would definitely do it again. You made it to the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching, and if you like videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to see me again next time, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!